Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you this tricky puzzle which was asked by one of my students. So here there are three types of fruits which are arranged in different manner, and they have given the answers for that. So we need to solve the last row, which is the fourth row, and what is the value for each fruit that we need to determine. So let us begin. Let us look at this first row. There is three apples. Okay, there are three apples which are arranged. That is, addition of those three apples will give the value of 6. So it is very clear that apple plus apple plus apple, that is a 3 apples, will is equals to 6. So 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. So therefore let me call that as first fruit, which is equal to 2. The first fruit which we referred as apple. Go for the second row. This is the row here. So there is apple plus 2 bananas. That is apple plus banana, which is equal to 8. So that means we know the value of apple already, which is 2. Okay. So 8 minus 2, which gives 6. So there are 2 apples here, 2 bananas. So 6 by 2 will give 3. So let me call that a second type of a fruit, which is B, which is equal to 3. Okay, let us cross verify this. There is apple 3 plus another apple 3, which is 6, plus apple 2, which is 8. Now let us go for the third row, which is here. There is another type of fruit. Let me call that as a C, fruit C. We know the banana value here. Okay, so 7 minus banana value is 3. So 7 minus 3 will give 4. So there are 2 and 2 fruits here. So that means the value of that fruit will be 1. I think it is avocado fruit. So its value is 1. Now look at the fourth row. It is very clear that avocado plus apple plus banana. What is the value of this one? It is very simple. Avocado is 1 plus the apple is 2 plus banana is 3, which is 6. The value is very clear. It is, the answer is 6. Okay, let me write here. So its value is 6. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you like, share with your friends. We'll come up with another puzzle. And if you have any puzzles, please follow me on Instagram and post there. So I will try to solve those puzzles in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.